Check out this Nissan 2008 Titan LE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are tow package, 10 speakers, CD player, radio data system, rear audio controls, Rockford Fosgate AM FM/6 CDXM satellite, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.